Up. Good one. Back. Come. Up. Back. Straight. Back. Guys, raise it. You're already warmed up.
Against Russia. This has a lot of meanings for us because we are now on the way to open doors for Kenyan football. It's not only about the national team, to make Kenyan football known. The boys are doing their best to represent their countries against this kind of big teams. For the players, it's a big experience and also, of course, a showcase to show what they can.
Ni platform kubwa na inani boost juu kwa place nilikuwa nimeset goals zangu, maybe kwenda Europe, naona, so na feel ni boost kubwa pia in terms of my ambitions.
Ambitions are high. I think from the squad we've got at the moment, it's a really good squad, and I think we have a good manager and the staff are great as well. So I think if we all work hard, I think we can reach the African Cup of Nations as well as even qualify for the World Cup.